Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's tutorial I'll be showing you how to make a zipper overlay. So let's get right into the video. Get a keyboard and measure 7 inches by 1.5 inches. After that, measure 1/2 inch from both sides and then draw a straight line. From the top, measure 1/2 inch. On the part where we have the 1/2 inch measurement, fold into 2, then cut a curve. Then fold into 2 again and transfer the curve to the other side of the keyboard. The next step is to cut out the rectangle that has formed in the middle. I'm done making the zipper overlay. So the next step is to transfer it to a fiber board because it's stronger than the keyboard. The keyboard can easily tear, but I would like to store this for future use. So that's why I'm transferring it to a fiber board, so that whenever I want to use it, I'll just pick up the fiber board, place it on the leather which I want to use to make the zipper overlay, and then cut it out. And that brings us to the end of this tutorial. Thank you so much guys for watching. If there's anything you would like to learn concerning bag making, let me know in the comment section and I'll be glad to make a video for you. See you in my next video.